Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 4. This daily vlogging, I remember, makes December go by so fast. It's kind of cool because it's a little memory book of getting to see like what you do every day, and I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys are loving it too. We're not doing many festive things lately, as of now, but we are building. Last night, I just want to give an update. There's not much light in here. Also, I'm barely awake, so please forgive the fact that I'm extremely tired and 0 caffeine. So, all done. Destiny did the drawers, so I built pretty much the faces. This one came built, I think we showed you, but if we didn't, here's a review if you didn't see yesterday's. Actually, I didn't put up yesterday's yet. So this right now is just nothing because we're thinking about making it a faux door so our sink can be here. So until then. And then this is a cabinet. Nice and big. And then here we have to get handles, obviously. I'm just gonna pop that out like that. They lock, so wow. Party just got here. Hey, Party. Yeah. So Destiny's been up for a little bit longer than me. I was extremely tired. Extremely tired. But let's see what she's up to. Say good morning, pups. Good morning. Also, update from yesterday. The track is in. That's how we're gonna open the door. And my uncle put a hardwood. We're reusing it from what we had in our kitchen before. So it's already painted black and it's a little whatever, but it's sturdy. But it also keeps this in place now too. So we love it. And yeah, then as soon as those pieces over there dry up, then as soon as those dry, then we're gonna Hi, baby. Scotty. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, looks like we are taking this out too. So our plan was not to remove any of the benching at all, but it's ending up being that way for 2 reasons. Alright, so let me explain reason number one. Reason number one is that we bought our kitchen and we think it's going to go all the way out here. We're not too sure. We also don't know how we want it to lay out. Reason number two is our flooring. I think it's just water damage pretty much, but here kind of lifts like that. Not good. So then we'll remove this, lift up the flooring so we can have new flooring, which will be nice. New flooring and a new kitchen. Pretty much a new jam. Pretty much. Okay, we're not the only ones who do it. So it just started raining and we now have to take everything that we had outside. We had the paint drying, the doors drying from the outside, and we had to bring it in because it started to rain. Should I wipe it off?
Like two different beats, still the same. We're like Jekyll and Hyde, like Batman and Bruce Wayne. We're like fire and water, like sugar and salt. We're like everything and nothing.
Alright, so we have a really big issue. Look at this. Insane. That. Insane. I'm glad we're moving our floor, honestly. So, we're lifting up our floor because we wanted to replace it. Simply replace it just because it looked like it had been lifting a little bit, like kind of by the door. And we thought maybe it was just like over time from water, which it hasn't been that much time. But, little did we know that there was a whole big massive wet, I don't even want to call it a puddle, I don't know, piece of wood. So it all got covered. It all was wet underneath where we kept like our water sink area and our gray water, which we've spilled multiple times, and I'll take some fault for it for majority of it. But yeah, it's spilled a lot of times, and obviously it just seeped and seeped through. And as we lifted the floor, it was just bigger and bigger. It just kept growing, and it was still wet, and the flooring at the bottom was still wet. So we had to figure out how to dry it and fix it. So we went ahead and dried it. We used a heat lamp, blow dried it, tried to sweep off the dirt, and yeah, and then it got fully, it was dry, and thank God, and it would look like, not brand new, but it looked back to better. So sad. We thought we were just fixing our kitchen. Better find it now that before we put in our new kitchen. No eye rolling. It's good. At least we're drying it, and our whole subfloor is
This
great.
is from Liz always spilling the gray water. Because
Liz!
she changes the fresh water and thinks our 5-gallon gray water just empties on its own.
Well,
It's like a weekly,
but sometimes it's a we, and sometimes it's a you.
No.
Yes. Yes. Back to normal, and then I went ahead and cleaned it with Clorox, and it said like mold and mildew, just to be as a precaution. Spray it down, gave it a good wipe, and then good as new. After it was dry, they went ahead and put in the flooring, and now we have a full new floor. To our new floor, a new van. Look at that floor, look at that floor. You guys did a great job. The floor's almost done. Wow. What is this? Are you playing with my emotions? What is this? Ah! The floor. It's almost done. Beer break. And then the wall is going in. Woo! This is a preview. So exciting. I really just... Alright friends, we are so tired. Oh, we got some things done. It's not that late, but it feels so late. Maybe it is late. What time is it? Anyways, still a mess. Brainstorming. We have all the new cabinets up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And guess what else we have up? The very own hockey door. Woo! So exciting. Can you move that seat, please? This one? Alright. Did you smash your finger?
My finger, yeah. Measuring our bench that we will have tomorrow.
How much success have we done?
Looks like a house.
A few hours ago today, we had no floor. Oh, excuse my shoes. No floor, no. These were built, but they were inside, and we had no wall. So we're seeing things.
Come sit with me. Hi.
Hi.
We are exhausted. Day 2, build 2, and we're still building.
Didn't finish. I know you had high hopes for a whole weekend, baby. But we did get some things done today. We finished the floor. We, as in we, Dusty and my uncle. You about to kill me? Dusty and my uncle. The floor. We redid the floor because it was lifting. And come to find out, there was water damage underneath. And we dried it. Wiped it with some bleach and Clorox and mildew stuff, and then now it's good to go. What else did we finish? Why can't I think?
The wall.
The wall.
But we need a new door.
Yeah. We need a new door, I guess. We finished the pocket door wall, and it's beautiful. And then we started Tetrising and putting all the
Cabinetry.
Yeah, thank you. I am so tired. We are going to figure out the way that I think we figured it out now after after spending like 2 hours in the kitchen or in our van just thinking, and then we're like, let's bring stuff in. So then we started bringing it in. Then we just started thinking and then moving things around, moving the chair. It's gonna be different-ish. Kind of. I thought it was going to be really different, and I was kind of excited. And then it got like real different, and I wasn't excited. And now we're kind of back to like what we already liked. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. Build day number 3.
Hopefully we can sleep in our bed.
Hopefully we can sleep in our bed. Yeah, we'll see.
I hope to at least build the benches.
Oh, for sure the benches, yeah. But we're going to relax. I want to watch some Vlogmas.
Right now? It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock?
12:20.
Oh my lord.
I'm going to bed. We have work tomorrow.
We do have work tomorrow. Anyways. Yeah, I'm tired. You would be. Your face looks like it wasn't even sunny today.
Overcast burn maybe?
Anyways, good night. We will see you tomorrow.